Hi, welcome back. I'm going to finish up this training on this one area, and noticed as I was doing that there was a slight bug that I went ahead and fixed. And actually, in one of the demos, I actually need to work on another area. So, kind of interesting as I go through these videos that I'm solving problems as I go, and juggling a lot of different things. So anyways, let's continue. What I've done to save time is I filled in the area that was missing before and saved it. And so now everything is populated correctly when you reload it after the putting the image in. So what I want to do now is go ahead and re-render all the other files that are needed. The embedded cover and the retail cover are included. So saving out the HTML and the other files is the next step. So go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and save those, and TOC file next, and then the OPF file to bring it all together, and of course the support file for the keywords is also needed. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the folder up, and at this point I want to use the double click on the OPF file to launch Mobi Pocket Creator and bring it in so you can see it, and go ahead and build the file, and let's launch it again to see if in fact it is correct this time. So if all's working, we'll see the embedded image coming up shortly here, and should work. It is there. Yes, we have a success. So that part is done. And the next phase, excuse me about my cough here. We can close that, and I want to go ahead and show you a demo of the table feature. So I'm going to go into the source files, and what I've done here is I built a demo table, and I'm going to bring up Word and bring that in here. What I did notice before was the fact that if there was blank fields in the table, that it was coming up and it was being converted incorrectly. What I did as a temporary fix is I put a little dash in there, and I will work on that. It's a little bit more involved than I wanted to spend. I wanted to get this out. So if all the fields have a value in them, there wouldn't be any problem. At least theoretically, there won't be any problem. So I'm still debugging this area. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and import that into another document. I'm going to choose that file uh, and upload it, and see how it looks. Hopefully it's correct this time. And sure enough, we got the table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate for you how to correctly format or put the tokens in to make the table work correctly. Obviously, it's flattened, and I'm going to pause it just for a second here as I set up a few things. Okay, I'm back. I just need to gather my wits about me here a little bit. Anyway, so looking at the table, what I want to do is I'm going to show you how it brought it in. So obviously, at the column headers on the tops, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 across the top, and then there's a whole bunch of rows, and each one has a value. The first column has the dollar amount, and then either a dash or an X indicating the value for each of the cells. Okay, so basically that's the gist of it. So what I want to do is quick. Well, we're running out of time here again, so I'm going to follow this up on the next video.